back to Blondie's Garage. I'm so happy you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora, and we're going to be focusing on my 1993 Honda Del Sol. Import face-off's coming up, and we've got a lot of work to do. We procrastinated again. It's a big surprise. But first, before we get started on the Del Sol, I've got a little extra side project that we've been working on. Let me show you what it is. So my dad brought home this small cargo trailer. It's really awesome, but pink's not his color. So he's wanting to paint it the same color as his 1947 Ford Deluxe sedan. And he plans on taking it to different car shows with him just to pull behind the car. That way he can carry his chairs and cooler and stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing sanded down and into primer. This is looking great. We'll see it finished at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and head to the shop and get to work on the Del Sol. Babe, why don't you show them how bad that paint is? Give them a close-up.
It's looking pretty rough. It's been sitting out in the weather, getting neglected. You can see it's got...
Yeah, it's looking pretty rough.
It's got stains in the clear coat. It's got dull spots that from when we first buffed it didn't quite get.
So basically we're doing a full-blown paint correction on this car. And the very first thing that we need to do is clean it with these clay bars. Picked them up at Advanced Auto Parts, and they're gonna help get all of this contaminant stuff off of the car. Yeah, when you slide your hand over the car, it's just so rough and there's so much stuff on it. It just feels disgusting. So we're gonna go ahead and use the clay bars, get everything cleaned off of it, and then we'll be ready to buff it out, make it look brand new. And the reason we're doing this, it just needs to be done, but import face-off is at the end of February. So we're gonna try to get this thing looking really great again and ready to go to the car show. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on detailing it with the clay bar. We're working on getting the spoiler put back on, getting the old double-sided tape off, that way we can replace it with some new double-sided tape, and then we're going to get it bolted on, and we'll be ready to buff it after that. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much the last thing that we really need to do before we can just completely detail the whole car, and we have to level it too. But we're gonna get the spoiler put back on, finish up all the buffing, and I'll let you know whenever we're working on something else. Yeah. And the car looks great, babe. The Buff Pro right here. Let's go get this thing cleaned up. both cars back in the garage and they're ready for import face-off tomorrow. The cars are looking great. The inside's looking really nice. Everything's cleaned up, detailed. I'm taking Yoshi and Sonic. They're gonna go with me to sit at the car show. Of course, rock some Lays. I'm going for good vibes, but we're really excited. Of course, the right-hand drive is looking beautiful, as always. This is such a great build. I'm really proud of Jake. But the inside's looking really great in here. Be really careful. Oh yeah, we're ready. We're just ready to go have some fun. See all the other great builds that show up. Import face-off, this is great every year. Just a day to relax and have fun. But wish us luck, guys. We'll see you at import face-off tomorrow. Now let's go see how the trailer turned out. All right, we made it back to my parents' house and we've got the trailer in the barn. And that paint job just turned out beautiful. We went ahead and left it taken apart. That way he could work on some rewiring and different things that he's wanting to do to the trailer before we get it put back together. I think he's also gonna bed line the inside of the trailer. That way it stays waterproof for when they travel and go to their different car shows. But it looks really good. Here's the top part of it. It's like looking in a mirror. It's absolutely stunning. That trailer turned out gorgeous, guys. The video honestly doesn't do it any justice. It looks like glass, but we're really happy for him and he loves it. Can't wait to take it to all his different car shows, pulling it with the 47 Ford. It's gonna be really cool. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comments. We love hearing your feedback, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up if you did. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you guys want to keep up with our channel and all the different projects that we have going on. It's a lot, but we appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you in the next video.